Because, like Fela said, Fela once asked me, I feel you are a professor of law. Fela said, Femi, with all this your funny law, now, where did you get the idea of fraud from? Money laundering. If the Western people were not stealing, there would be no word like fraud. No word like stealing. But Fela then warned us, don't accept their language and their ideology. But when you say money laundering, Fela said, what is money laundering? But if you say a man is a thief, in the school, his children will be ashamed when you say your father is a thief. But when you say the man is engaged in money laundering, it means nothing. Please.
From Ngozi, the N-A and E-I became 9, name 9, R-O and B-I, Tom Urobi, it became Robi. 9 and Ro and B from the ancient Igbo names of Una, Anyi, Urobi. 9 and Ro and B, making it Nairobi. Anyi means we, us. Urobi means heart. Una means father. Chinsom Mayo means God follow me. Chinsom Mayo and Una Anyi Urobi, now Nairobi.